guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. I feel like I have not done one of these videos in so long. I originally was going to go to Ulta Beauty or Sephora to go find some products for my skin because my skin has been hitting me lately. And I'm not just talking about my face, but like my skin. My skin has been very dry. I don't know what it is, and it cannot be this LA weather because LA weather is very moist. It's not like too drying out here. So I don't know what's happening to my skin, but the main focus is going to be like obviously like skincare regimen, like my face. I don't have an actual skincare regimen, which I need to hop right back into. There are some products that I am going to stop using because I feel like it's been drying out my skin lately and soaking up all the moisture out of my skin, and I need to start putting moisture back into my skin because like I said, my skin, especially my face, has been very dry. Obviously, like I'll get a pimple every blue moon, but that's not my main issue. My main issue right now is the drying of my skin. First and foremost, I want to show you guys some products that I purchased from Target. If you guys have seen these products or even tried these products out, please put it in a comment section below and let me know how you like these products, because this is going to be my first time testing out these products that I am showing you today. But first and foremost, I do want to get into this eye cream. I never use eye cream at all. I have never in my life used eye cream, and I decided I do want to start using eye cream for the simple fact that because I don't struggle with like dark circles or anything like that underneath my eyes, but I feel like why not, like, you know, why not use it if it can prevent, you know, certain things. Okay, so this is what the eye cream looks like that I purchased off the website. They are having a good deal. So right now, if you've never shopped on their website, they have like 20% off, and plus you get like a 7-piece gift set once you do purchase from their site, which is great. So I went ahead and bought that. But anyways, I did get this CeraVe eye repair cream. It reduces the look of dark circles and puffiness. I do not struggle with dark circles underneath my eyes, but sometimes I do struggle with a little bit of puffiness when I wake up. So this is the eye cream that I did purchase from Target, and I think I paid like $17 for this little thing. It's only 0.5 ounce. So it's really small. And the reason why I really purchased this product is because it does have hyaluronic acid in it, and then also it does protect the skin barrier. And you guys know that underneath the eye is super duper sensitive. Like you cannot, like when you wash your face, you can't be scrubbing underneath your eyes like that because our under eye is very thin, like it's thin layer of skin, and it's the easiest to wrinkle. So if you guys have tried this product out, please let your girl know. So another thing that I purchased is this NEURTOGENA Healthy Skin Face Lotion. It has sunscreen SPF 15. It's supposed to soften and smooth rough, uneven skin and improve skin radiance and clarity. The reason why I purchased this is because, like I said, my skin has been super duper dry. Like it feels like snake skin on my face. Dead serious. It doesn't look like that now because I moisturize my skin, but not with this. I'm gonna show you what I moisturize my skin with so far, and I actually love this product, and I just tried it out 30 minutes ago and I'm already loving this product. I want my skin to glow, and this provides radiance for the skin. So hopefully I'm able to test this product out and really love this face lotion because I do need a moisturizer for my skin. So we're gonna see how this works, and it's also dermatologist recommended. It's formulated with vitamin C and provitamin B5. It says it boosts moisture levels to soften and smooth the skin. It's oil free and it won't clog pores, which can cause breakouts, and you know that's what your girl needs, because I was looking for an oil free face moisturizer, and let's see how this works. Next, I do want to show you guys, this is, guys, I think this is going to be my holy grail because I'm already in love with this serum. I think I paid like $30 for this serum in Target, and I feel like downtown LA, they be taxing like a mother. They be taxing, okay? They be taxing. Because I was like $30. It awakens 100% of dull skin cells for visibly refreshed, brighter skin. This has turmeric extract in it, and it also has amino sugar. It helps reduce visible imperfections and illuminate skin for improved tone, texture, and clarity. Suitable for all skin tones. This is oil free and alcohol free. And when I tell y'all my skin felt like an alligator, like earlier it did, like my cheeks just felt so dry. And this is what the serum looks like. So far I love this product because it's very refreshing. As soon as I put it on my skin, it's like my skin like quickly absorbed everything, and it provided so much moisture to my skin, and my skin feels so good right now. Like I said earlier, my skin was so dull and dry. You know that feeling when your face is dry and it's just like the most uncomfortable thing in the world? I'm definitely going to buy this again for sure, and my skin doesn't feel oily or anything like that. Another thing that I purchased, guys, and I am trying to stay away from oils, but like even I have a coconut oil in the bathroom, and it's for your face, and I love it because it has helped my skin tremendously with like dark spots, because I used to have a tiny bit, not too many dark spots, but it definitely helped a lot with some of the dark spots that I did have. But what this product is supposed to do is supposed to help with fine lines and wrinkles, dark spots, uneven skin tone, and aging skin. It's also mixed with vitamin C, vitamin E, and then retinol. This is also dermatologist tested. Anything with Palmer's, I've had no problem with Palmer's. Like, their products are amazing, by the way. So this is the face oil. This is also about 1 fluid ounce. So it's the same size as the Neutrogena Bright Boost serum that I just showed you guys. Usually with my skincare routines, I always use a facial serum and an oil. Always, 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 always. And it definitely has helped my skin tremendously, but I have run out of my products, and like I said, I want to try new products to see, you know, what works best for my skin, because I don't always want to stick to one product, because sometimes I feel like if I do stick to one product, my skin gets so adjusted to it, it doesn't work the same, and then my skin starts to act up again. So I think it's about time for me to find a new regimen. I've been using this facial cleanser. I'm obsessed with anything CeraVe because it does not dry out my skin whatsoever. So immediately when I seen that they had an eye cream, I was willing to purchase an eye cream specifically from this brand, because I know that they have never let me down. I love this CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. I've been using this for about 6-7 months now, and like I said, my skin has been really drying, because usually I use another face wash, but I stopped using that, so I switched to this. But usually when I use this, I use one face wash, and then after that face wash I will use this hydrating cleanser. It doesn't like sud up. When you use like a face wash and it gets like suds everywhere, it doesn't do that. It literally feels like you're putting a serum on your face. I love it because it doesn't dry out my skin. But if you want a really deep clean, I did not get this from Target. I actually been using this for about 4 months now. This is the KIEHL'S face wash that I have been using. This is a brightening and exfoliating daily cleanser. When I went into KIEHL'S, I had asked them what's the best facial or face wash to improve texture, and she did recommend this. If you do have dry skin, I would highly suggest you guys to not buy this. But if you struggle with super oily skin and you want to get like some of the oils out of your skin, I highly suggest you to purchase this. The reason being is because this face wash, it can definitely dry out your skin. And when I first started using this, I had no problems. So like I said, if you just use this, it's definitely, once you hop out the shower, your skin is going to feel like, dang, ain't no moisture in my skin. So you got to re-up on moisture immediately after you use this face wash. So that's why I do apply this face wash and this together, because this puts the hydration back into my skin. But have I seen a difference using this KIEHL'S face wash? I really cannot, like, I really don't know, because like I said, my skin has been acting up lately. So I really can't tell you if I have. Will I purchase this again? I think I paid like $23 for this. Probably not. I won't purchase this again, because I feel like I need something more not so drying on my skin. Does that make sense? And this is the type of facial cleanser, literally you need a dab of it, because it suds up, and it suds so perfectly. Like, when they say little goes a long way, it goes a long way. So as soon as you apply, and it has like it does have like these like little, you can't see it, but it feels like it has like these little beads inside. So I have been struggling with like a little bit of dark spots underneath my chin, because like when I went back to North Carolina, my skin started breaking out tremendously, specifically in this area. So with that being said, I'm pretty sure the Palmer's skin therapy oil, it'll help with that. because it says it helps with dark spots. Okay, so we're trying to get rid of these dark spots as soon as possible. And like I said, I'm going to be very consistent with these products. Feel free to comment down below to let me know if you guys tried any of these products, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.